Hello, welcome. Till now, we have covered host network. Now, we'll cover a persistent volume. So today, we'll discuss little about persistent volume. Persistent volume claim, storage class, and there are two more advanced topic, but we'll discuss that later. So PV is a persistent volume. When a pod is deleted, we already means listening this sentence from day one, that when a pod is deleted, the volume get deleted, data get deleted, and everything lost. But there is a provision that whenever PV is there, it is the actual storage, and there is a mechanism in the Kubernetes that with the API call they can have the data. So what is the persistent volume claim? So persistent volume claim is just you want to get a breakfast from the buffet, so you have a coupon, you give that coupon and you will get the breakfast. So persistent volume is nothing but to take it's a request to get the volume. There is a storage class. So what is a storage class? A storage class is nothing but it's a creation, means if the volume is created automatically, it's so this is a dynamic provision, so it can be done with the help of the storage class. So there are two ways the PV can be created, with the help of administrator or with the help of storage class. So what is the key feature of the PV? So it lives independently of the workloads. So whatever workloads, if it is deleted, recreated, but it is independent of the workloads. We have to play with the access modes retain policy, which is very important, and in exam point of view also it is very important. Capacity means exercise, and access mode. Access mode, there are two access mode, we'll discuss that later. So persistent volume is a request, we already discussed. Now we'll come to the storage class. So storage class enable us a dynamic provisioning. Suppose we need means administrator forgot to provision a PV, then our pod will be in a pending state. So to overcome this type of things in a large scale networks, in a large scale things, we do use store means this storage class. There are a few more properties than the means you cannot able to delete PVC if someone is using it. So there is a one property, storage object protection. So you won't able to delete the PVC if any workload is using that PVC. So before deleting that PVC, you have to get it free. And there is a file system and block. So default option is a file system. If the block is there, so we need to provision our file system and then we have to use it. So whatever the access mode we are using, it is been controlled by the kube control manager. Storage protection. So this is enough for the discussion, and in next video we'll discuss about with the demo how we use PV, PVC and other storage classes. This is a very important topic, and you would at least expect a 10% of question from it, and it is very easy to solve. So please be with me, and till now we have at least covered 30%, and if we include this, then